I'm Susan. Today I'm trying a new beef casserole, and it's got ground beef, corn, tomato soup, processed cheese, and sliced raw potatoes. The meat I'm just using some leftover sloppy joe mix because waste not, want not, and I needed to use it up. But it just calls for browning your meat and draining it. But even when I just do brown my meat, I usually add garlic powder, onion powder, or onions and garlic. And this meat did have onions and garlic in it. So, along with a few other spices, but I think that can only improve the flavor. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, I've got 1 pound of ground beef that's been cooked and drained. And in fact, I'm just using leftover sloppy joe mix. I don't mind the extra flavor. I've got 1 large onion that's been chopped. Part of my onion I used in my meat mixture. I've got a 15-ounce can of whole kernel corn, 3 cups of sliced raw potatoes, and I just used my mandolin, but you can do it by hand if you need to. I've got 1 can of tomato soup, 1 cup of cubed Velveeta or processed cheese. I've got the store brand Velveeta, and more cheese for topping. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and in a large bowl you just want to mix everything except your shredded cheese. Now you want to pour it into a large casserole dish, spread out your potatoes and everything, and you want to bake it for about 45 minutes to start off with. Then we'll add our cheese to the top and let it finish baking for the hour. Now it may not take quite as long, it just depends on your oven. All right, it's time to give it a taste test. That's pretty good. I think the potatoes could have used a little salt. But other than that, it's got a delicious flavor. And it would have a delicious flavor even without the sloppy joe mix. You could mix your meat however you would want. I really like it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.